Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the music on the Uno application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And now click to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the screen. Here you can find the second option, the sound, under the general button, and here you can find the music button, and if you want to disable, just click to the next green circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.